Hello everyone, my name is Biritvik.
My name is Ansukit.
My name is Prabhas. My name is Mahi.
And my name is Sudeep.
And we are from Kendriya Vidyalaya CRP of Bhartas. The name of our project is Automatic Shirt Folding Machine.
Automatic shirt folding machine, a smart solution for daily life. Introduction and problem. Folding clothes manually takes time and effort. Many people struggle to fold shirts neatly, especially difficult for busy people or the elderly. Our idea began with a simple question. Can we automate this daily task?
Hello everyone, my name is Prabhas. Objectives and components. Objectives: fold shirts automatically and neatly. Save time and reduce effort. Main components: Arduino Uno, servo motor, folding panels, push buttons, power supply. Hello, my name is Mahil. Working principle: place the shirt on the board. Press the start button. Servo motors move folding panels one by one. Shirt folds automatically in 3 to 4 steps. Arduino controls the timing and motion for proper folding. Advantages: saves time and effort. Neat and uniform folds every time. Useful for homes and laundry shops. Easy to use and affordable.
Hi everyone, my name is Sudeep. Future scoping, add automatic iron and drying, mobile app control for convenience, compact, foldable, designed for daily uses.
Now, let's see the conclusion.